Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. And yeah, right now we're just looking at some sideways action again after a nice little rally from 30,000 all the way to 39, 40,000. And yeah, we're kind of looking at this head and shoulders pattern. Right now, everybody's kind of talking about this little head and shoulders pattern that's kind of starting to play out. But in my opinion, this if this was a head and shoulders pattern, this would have been rejected, right? So I don't think that's going to play out. I think Carl from the moon is still in his long, so he can hold on to that if he wants. I'm not getting into it. But yeah, I think there's a potential rising wedge right now, and we already broke down from it, and it's possible that we do something like this where we go to retest it right here, and then we start to go back down, and then maybe retest the $31,000 level, and then go back up, and then form a very large W pattern, which would be really good, a double bottom. Let me just delete this right here. Give me one moment. Gotta delete that. Yeah, we could do something like this. So this could be a potential W, very big double bottom pattern, which would be really good. You know, this could be a potential really big trade. So if I'm gonna short, I would maybe enter around the $39,600 area, which is basically where the the ascending wedge is. So right here, 39,500, around this area. If I would short, I would short around there. I would probably not enter here. I just got back from work, so I'm a little tired, and yeah, I'm just gonna make a video tonight too about buying and selling quickly. So just to give you guys a heads up, and yeah, let's just take a look at the market cipher on the larger time frame. Something I want to definitely look at. And yeah, so we're starting to get some resistance around this area as well. So this is the green box is the resistance area, and I wasn't too surprised that we got rejected the first time, and now we're getting rejected a second time. And I don't think it's gonna have enough strength to go back up again and test it. But you know, I could be wrong. You know, never underestimate the bulls, but also never underestimate the bears. Yeah. So at market cipher, we could see like on the daily time frame, we got a green dot around this area, and now we're starting to come back up. But we're gonna face some resistance around the $41,000, $40,000 area. And I'm just holding off on placing trades right now. If I am gonna place a trade, I'll post it in the chat. And always check the live trades, guys. 90% of the time I place limit orders. I don't place market orders. So if I post that I'm in a trade, and you guys rush in a market order, you know, $800, $1,000 under my entry or over my entry, then that's, you know, you're taking on more risk. And on top of that, you know, I could be wrong. I'm not right 100% of the time. Yeah. And this is just something like I drew on the logarithmic growth curve, that we could potentially be hitting maybe 220,000 at the end of the year. But I don't know if that's going to happen. It's really, in my opinion, starting to look like the 2013 scenario, where on the weekly, you know, we dropped down so much, and now we're starting to fight back to go back up to the 21 EMA. You know, we could go back over here, BTC, the 21 EMA back in 2013. I keep going back to here to show people because I feel like they're not talking about it enough, in my opinion. So let's just zoom in right there. Yeah, so back in 2013, we broke down the 21 EMA. I know this is only like at the $87 area, but it's still data, and we can still use it. Obviously, Bitcoin was in its infancy here, but you know, it had like a huge pump, and then we chopped around this area for a bit before we started having this explosive move to the upside. And obviously the market cap was way smaller back then, and now it's like a blip on the radar compared to where we're at today. And yeah, I don't think the bull run's over, guys, so don't panic. I am definitely looking at the stock market because me and my friend, he's basically he's a professional trader, and he's been watching the SPY climb up to ridiculous levels, and he's betting on a double top at the SP 500. So he's placing some shorts very soon, basically betting on a huge market correction. So if the stock market does correct and crash, I do think that that the crypto market will crash even harder. So it's gonna go down even more. So just be aware, guys, and be safe. Just know that everything is super levered up at the moment. You know, there's a lot of leverage in the crypto markets, and there's a lot of leverage in the stock market at the moment. So that's just a quick update, and let's just look finally at the hash ribbons. They have not indicated a buy signal yet. We can see that in the past it does not happen right away. Sometimes it does. You know, we can see here they cross and then boom, buy signal. You buy here, you make fantastic gains. If you bought at this one right here, even if you bought at the high, let's say you bought at the high, you could have still made a nice 30% gain with leverage. That's 300%, right? That's if you use 10 leverage. Obviously, you can use way more, but if you use way more leverage, your risk increases. And we can see here when the hash ribbons cross back, this signal came. Let's just measure it with this tool right here, just to show you guys. This came 20 days later, right? So this could take 20 days, potentially maybe 2 to 3 weeks before the buy signal is flashed. So we could maybe enter next month. Maybe it'll flash then, but there's no guarantee when the buy signal is going to flash. But what I can guarantee you is that there's gonna be one, but I don't know when. All right. So I'm probably going to enter a very, very large position when that happens, and I will let everybody know in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord already, come and join us. We make fantastic trades and fantastic gains all the time. Obviously, sometimes we take some losses, but those are placed with very good risk management, and we try to minimize our losses and maximize our gains. You know, the challenge account that I started a month ago, I'm probably going to do a recap at the end once I do reach my target, but we started with $100 and we're already at $500, right? So that's a 500% gain in only 3 weeks. If you know anyone that can get 500% returns or more in 3 weeks without using leverage, I need to see what they're buying. Maybe they're buying all coins that are like just pumping them, but that's extremely risky. So if you guys can achieve 500% returns without leverage, I need please message me in the Discord and tell me how you did it. Anyways, this is just a quick video today, guys. I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna work on the buy and sell video tonight, and maybe release it later tonight on a set schedule. Anyways, thank you for this support, guys. We're at 268 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 300. Smash that like button. Thank you for your support. I love you guys. Peace.